Hello, children. Good morning. I'm here with another beautiful story. I'm sure you have heard about this book and you have seen this book. It's one of the fantastic books for this year, which is a picture book. Yeah. So let's get started. SUPERTATO VEGGIES ASSEMBLE. SUPERTATO VEGGIES ASSEMBLE by Sue Hendra and Paul Lennart. It was night time in the supermarket and everyone was sleeping peacefully. Or were they? Someone was looking for trouble. Soon this supermarket will be mine, all mine. And with one click, all the freezers were switched off. Gasp! You may already know this, but some vegetables are frozen for a very good reason. If they defrost, they turned bad, really bad. And baddest of them all is the evil pea. Wakey, wakey, he called. One evil pea is bad enough, but now there were bags of them. The supermarket was in meltdown. Run for it, panicked Pepper. Save me, stuttered Pierre. Save me, begged Melon. Save me, cried Carrot. Oh. I'm melting, pleaded Lowly, and time's running out. Was there anyone who could save them? SUPERTATO, the rescue! To the rescue! But before SUPERTATO could save anyone, he was attacked by a swarm of peas. What's going on? Asked Aubergine. We're doomed, that's what, cried Cucumber. Things were going from bad to worse. SUPERTATO was thrown onto the conveyor belt, and he was heading straight for the bagging area. Was this the end of SUPERTATO? I'm going to need some backup. If I can just call the click. Super Veggies to the rescue. They used ninja known how. Hi-ya! They used massive muscles. They used fancy footwork. And they used a box with a door cut in it. But what about the lollies? And where was SUPERTATO? Sorry I'm late. I just needed to pick up some dessert. And now for those freezers. Click. And I'll be needing a glass and a piece of a paper.
Who ordered the vegetables?
Scratched the evil pea.
You think you've beaten me? But I'm going to...
You going to do what? Asked SUPERTATO. 3 cheers for SUPERTATO, shouted Broccoli. SUPERTATO blushed. I couldn't have done it without the super veggies. Actually, I'm not a vegetable. I'm a fruit, said Tomato. And everybody laughed and cheered. So with the peas back in their bags and the freezers locked, the supermarket was once again in a safe place to be. "Isn't it wonderful?" said one lowly to the other. "We're all back to normal again." It's a beautiful picture of SUPERTATO. And the end. I hope you enjoyed listening and reading this book with me. SUPERTATO actually is one of the funniest picture books this year. Read it and laugh out loud. Creative Steps magazine. I really like it. If you want me to read for you more of these books, SUPERTATO adventures, please tell me in the comments. And don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And if you like it, share with other friends. Thank you for watching me. Bye. See you soon.